Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at the Artika Riviera Octo, and as you can see it's long, it's a pendant, and it's 30 inches wide, and it can be down to 60 inches from your ceiling. And this is a warm white, which is 3000 K, and it has 2000 lumens, only using 26 watts. So let's take a look. It has integrated LED lights, so you don't have to buy or replace any light bulbs. So first we have contact support in case you have any questions. Then we have instructions on how to install it. It comes with a list of things that you get, the tools that you need, and here is some hardware. It has a chrome finish, so that's pretty cool. Here is the light. And as you can see, the LEDs are in there. They're integrated. And there's a cap here. But there's no cap on this side. And the reason why there's no cap is because it looks pretty simple this way. Starts to look different. The installation, it's just like any other light fixture. You take this off first. This bracket goes into your light socket, and then you put this back onto here. To make this short, then all you have to do is push in here to make it shorter, and if you want to make it longer, all you have to do is push this thing right here and then pull the cable. Before you put this up, fill it in with the crystals, and once you're done filling it in, then you have to put the cap on the other side, and it's going to look just like this but on the other side. For the time being, that's what it looks like when it's filled in, and this end I haven't filled in yet. I have the other bag yet. So once I fill both sides in there, then you can tell that it looks much different than when it's clear. I like that the light is dimmable. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.